In today's video, I'll be focusing less on a unit itself and rather be focusing on a service offering at ILS. The service offering in question is called chemical commissioning. And chemical commissioning refers to the fact that we can test units that we design and build at ILS with real chemistry under realistic operating conditions in this laboratory that we set up at ILS. Over the last 16 years, we've made well over 100 different units, and it's often been a painful learning experience realizing that no matter how well we pre-engineer our units, no matter how well we actually construct them, you really are only 100% sure that a unit is operating correctly when you've tested it with real chemistry, real catalysts, with the online analytics operating for a reasonable period of time. This is the reason why we made the strategic decision a number of years ago to set up this facility. At the moment, we have 4 different units in various phases of operation or in various phases of chemical commissioning at the moment. The unit to my left is a very unique reactor which has been made for a client in North America. This unit itself will be tested for nearly a year. It's a very extensive DOE, design of experiments, that this client has set up for this unit to ensure smooth operation and also to get data as early as possible. After completion of this DOE, in roughly 1 year's time, this unit will be packed up and sent off to the client. Doing chemical commissioning really makes 100% sure that the unit that you get on your site can quickly be commissioned. It's basically a turnkey solution in that case, because we've done all of the dirty work of finding all of the problems here on our site. Again, it adds a bit to the cost of the unit and the delivery time, but at the end of the day, you have a significant cost savings because your staff and all the overhead you require to commission a unit once it's delivered on your site are significantly reduced. We're convinced that this is a very valuable service package for our clients, and that reflects itself in the increasing number of clients that we find that are actually incorporating chemical commissioning phases at the tail end of our unit builds. If you'd be interested in learning more about how chemical commissioning can help you reduce your R&D setup commissioning time, feel free to contact us at ILS, and thank you for your attention.